First, I want to show you how to use your headlight washer function. Now you have to make sure that your headlights are turned all the way on in the on position, so click it all the way up. And then the power for the vehicle has to be on, so start the ignition. And here we see it in action. Here we demonstrate the power rear gate. There's a few ways you can operate it. On the key fob, a button on the inside I'll show in a second, and this button right here on the power rear gate. You press that button, take a step back, and your power rear door will open. Location of the switch inside, and it does require your doors to be unlocked. Next, I wanted to show you how to activate your windshield wiper deicer function. Here you're going to click the climate button, and you're going to see a quick shortcut for it right there. So in other Subarus, it's tied to your rear defrost, but here in the EV, it is a standalone because it does draw additional power. Just be sure to turn it off once you're done. Last but not least, I want to show you your auto folding mirrors. Now, when you have the selector in the auto setting, the mirrors are going to fold and unfold when you lock and unlock the car, but you can manually fold it with this button here. So if you're pulling into a tight spot, that may be useful in the parking garage. And then of course you can unfold it as well by hitting the button on the opposite side.